Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Swati and guess what? Today's video is a skincare video. I told you guys that I will not be making skincare videos anymore, but later I realized that a lot of you guys subscribe to my channel for skincare video. So why not? I love making it and I hope that these videos help you. Besides these kind of videos, it will all be about travel or something like that. So yeah, in today's video, we are going to talk about vitamin C. Definitely not a new ingredient. It's been around for a while. There's a lot of research that is done. It's a very well researched ingredient, and science has proved it beyond doubts that vitamin C is great for your skin. In today's video, I want to feature a product, and it is this one. It is from this brand called Dermaco. This is not the first time that I'm trying Dermaco. I've tried Dermaco's product and I've made a video on their chemical exfoliant and you guys seem to like it. This is the 25% vitamin C matte moisturizer with SPF 20. I believe this is one of the new launches. This was sent to me from the brand, but this video is completely based on my own experience, and they've also given me a coupon code. So in case you want to try Dermaco products, then you can use this code Hariharan20 for 20% off on the Dermaco website. Now, before we get into this specific product, let's try and understand what is vitamin C. What is this whole fuss about? And why should you incorporate vitamin C in your skincare? So in layman terms, vitamin C or ascorbic acid is basically antioxidant. And what do antioxidants do? They fight free radicals. Free radicals are notorious for your skin. They can cause a lot of harm. They can make you look really old, cause wrinkles, pigmentation. Basically, not good for your skin at all. And vitamin C or antioxidants basically fight these free radicals, thereby your skin looks more radiant, more glowy, and younger in the long run. Vitamin C also helps in the reduction of melanin. Basically, it helps in not producing melanin. So your skin in the long run will look much lighter, brighter, and youthful. So basically, in a very crisp format, vitamin C is antioxidant. Now you know that antioxidants are important for your body. That's why we consume vegetables, we consume green tea. Basically, if you have to talk about vitamin C for your skin, it is like vegetables and green tea. That's the exact thing that vitamin C does for your skin, what vegetables and green tea does to your body. So you can understand how essential vitamin C is for your skin. Now, this product that we have from Dermaco is a moisturizer. There are different ways in which you can incorporate vitamin C in your skincare. You can use it as a face wash, which personally I'm not a big fan of. You can use it as a serum, which is great, but it is also a little more concentrated when you're using it as a serum, and you can use it like a moisturizer. The advantage of using vitamin C as a moisturizer is that it is mixed with moisturizer, so it's a more subtle, and if you are a beginner to using vitamin C or active ingredients in your skincare, then this is a more stable form. As it is, the vitamin C in this is L-ascorbic acid, which is great, which is one of the best forms of ascorbic acid. It is derived from natural sources and it is extremely effective on your skin. And also in this product, the vitamin C that is used is stabilized. When it comes to vitamin C, it is important that it is stabilized, because it as an ingredient can go bad really quickly. So if your vitamin C is not stabilized, it can go bad. It will turn into this yellowish orangish color, and once it's spoiled, it can do no good for your skin. It is not a very harmful thing to use if it is spoiled, even after it is spoiled, but if you're using some product, you might as well get results, right? So that is why I feel like this is a great product. This is a moisturizer, it is stabilized, and the best thing is it comes in an opaque packaging. So basically, vitamin C gets spoiled if it is exposed to light and atmosphere. Whereas in this product, because it's a opaque packaging, you can just keep it on your shelf and it will not be spoiled for a long time. So this is great. It has a pump application. I actually really like the packaging as well. Another thing that I really like about this particular moisturizer is that this has ferulic acid. Ferulic acid again is an antioxidant, and when combined with vitamin C, it is magic. It is really good antioxidant and it also penetrates into your skin faster. So definitely the formulation of this product is great and this is friendly for beginners. Now this is 25% vitamin C, which is kind of really high up. You can start with 5%, 10% or 20%, 25%, 30%. So 25 is definitely on the upper scale, but because this is a moisturizer, it is quite friendly for your skin. But if you're skeptical about using 25%, as a beginner, then I would say go with 10% or 5%. I believe Dermaco has serums in that range as well, so that you can get your skin used to it and then use this. But also in this formulation, it's not bad at all. Now this also comes with SPF 20. Now, there is research on vitamin C that if vitamin C is paired with sunscreen, it can do really, really good things for your skin and it can actually help your sunscreen work better. Now, this one has SPF 20, which, in my opinion, is good if you're sitting at home, if you're not going out, and these days it's rain, so it's rainy days, cloudy, not a lot of sunlight. SPF 20 is good. But if you're going out in the sun at 12 o'clock and it's really sunny outside, I think you should add some SPF, additional SPF, preferably SPF 50 or more, to your skincare so that you can actually get really good benefits of using vitamin C and you will not be damaging your skin from excess sun rays. So this is just my 2 cents on this and I feel like this is a great product, and vitamin C as an ingredient is a wonderful, wonderful ingredient. Another great thing about this particular formula is that it is a matte moisturizer. So it is very, very easy to apply. It is not greasy at all and it will not make you feel uncomfortable. I think everybody should be incorporating vitamin C in their skincare, no matter what your age is, no matter how good or bad your skin is. It's never too late to start with good skincare. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this crisp and to the point skincare related video. You can definitely give this product a shot, but if you don't want to, you can obviously use vitamin C from any other brand. But in my experience, I think Dermaco is a great brand. I'm not just saying this because they sent this product. Honestly, it's a wonderful brand. It is totally science backed and it's an honest brand. They have all their ingredients listed on the box. Even if you go to their website, I feel like it is so informative. Even if you don't want to buy any of their product, you just want to do your research, just go to their website and read about different ingredients. It is so helpful. You can use my code Hariharan20 to get a 20% off on the Dermaco website, or you can definitely pick up this product on Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart, as you please. And I hope that this video helps you and it helps to understand your skincare so that next time when you are going to the counter or you're buying a product online, you know why exactly you're buying it and you're not just buying it because some brand or some influencer is just selling the product to you. Even if I am saying something, I would definitely encourage that you do your own research about your skincare, because trust me, good skincare can take you a long way. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you like to watch these kind of videos. I will see you all very soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.